It was such a simple fix, you won't believe how easy it was. Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Chris. This is Dirty Trucker 08, and today we are in the mobile studio. Oh yes, also known as the TIG One. And today we're in the mobile studio because the Neon Warriors have made it impossible to film at the house. But this is going to be a quick video. Here's what's going on. Over the weekend, I helped a friend of mine with a 2010 Volkswagen Beetle. Now, the issue they were having was the high beam indicator wouldn't go off. As soon as they turned the headlights on, high beam indicator was there regardless of what they did. And my first response was it's got to be the switch. After changing out the switch, we discovered that did not fix the problem. So I made a phone call to a friend of mine. He suggested the actual headlight switch on the dash. Not the high beam, low beam switch, but the actual on-off switch. Pulled the one out of my car, installed it in that one. Same results. And after a little bit of internet digging, I discovered if both headlights, both high beam bulbs, are burned out, it can cause the indicator to stay on. What are the odds of both high beams being out at the same time? But not my car, so who am I to judge? Anyway, long story short, we pulled out the bulbs, changed out both high beams, and it fixed the problem. High beams work like they're supposed to, indicator goes off like it's supposed to, and everybody wins. So there you go, just a real quick tip. If you've got a Volkswagen, the high beam indicator won't go off no matter what you do. Check your bulbs. But that's it, guys, just a real quick and short one today. Hopefully you guys learned something. I know I did. I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.